So welcome back, I'm Chef Elmer. So today, gagawa tayo ng tempura. For the butter, ang kailangan natin is all-purpose flour, cornstarch, egg, salt, baking powder, and cold water. Then, gagamit tayo ng shrimp and crab stick. For the dipping sauce, ang kailangan natin is ginger, radish, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and dashi stock. For the vegetable, gagamit tayo ng eggplant and onion. So, let's start. So first, we need to prepare the dipping sauce. Okay? So just mix together yung dashi stock, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and ginger. So you need to simmer this for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, turn off the heat, then set aside nyo muna. For the butter, just mix in the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking powder. So, slightly mixed it para mag-incorporate na yung baking powder sa flour. Then, add in the egg and water. So yung water nyo should be cold or malamig. So you need to mix this until mawala ang lumps. So the texture of the butter should be a little bit runny. So, we are done with our butter. Once na-prepare na yung butter, pwede na i-deep fry ang shrimp. Make sure mainit na ang oil nyo bago kayo mag-deep fry. To test your oil, you can dip a wooden spoon. So kapag nag-bubbles na yan, mainit na ang oil nyo. So you need to deep fry this until golden brown. So we're done with our tempura. Let's plate. So we're done with our tempura. Thank you and enjoy.